All right, wait till you see this. This is a beautiful space, and we don't get to do too many on a golf course. This is on a golf course, 180-degree view. We did a beautiful deck, ties into the whole golf theme. Got a little surprise to show you on that. Wait till you see it. It's the first time. I don't think anybody's ever done this before. And then we have the pool here. We have the underdeck space. We have fires, three different fires. Come on, check it out. Awesome curved stairs, signature of ours, right? Beautiful space up here. We've got the glass rails. We've got the rail top bar overlooking the beautiful golf course, watching the sunsets. We've got fires out there to look at, overlooking the pool. Perfect hangout spot, right? But check this out. This is a metal circular pergola. Have never seen one of these before. The client came to us, he said he wanted to do something like this. We got together with our engineers and our fabricators. We worked on this for a while. We presented this design to the client. Absolutely loved it. Fit with the whole golf vibe. Gave him a little bit of shade, gave him a little bit of protection from golf balls. I kid you not. But it really, really kind of set the space right here. And this deck is all about curves. All right, wait till you see what's underneath this deck. Super cool. Took a bit of engineering, a bit of design because of the elevations. The pool is at a higher elevation than the walkout underneath because of the grade back here, but it all came out awesome. Look at this beautiful pool. Got to stop and talk about the pool for a second. Beautiful bluestone all the way around the pool here. Natural stone, sunken tub, really natural feel. Has the waterfall going in, really, really well done. Look at this, beautiful space, right off of the finished basement. They have the bar underneath there, the pool table. So this space, any time of year, they can come out here and hang out. All the finishes, the stone, everything ties into the existing house perfectly. So I hope you guys really enjoyed checking out this project and seeing something really unique. Pushing boundaries can lead you into really cool areas and really cool things. So when you're thinking about designing your own project, don't be afraid to push the boundaries. Don't be afraid to be unique and do something that really speaks to you. So check us out on the next one. Follow us, like us, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.